Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me.
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the one, the only one. Back with another video, yes sir, today, man. Happy Sunday, you know what I'm saying? It's a nice sunny day outside today. Hope everybody having a good Sunday, have a good weekend, of course. But today, man, to review in our own feet of the Nike Dunk Low UCLA colorway. This colorway is fire, I ain't gonna lie to you. I really like this colorway. Had to grab these for a personal, got size 11 in these joints, man. So I got these joints from Ashanti Kicks. He from Cincinnati area, Kentucky area, you know what I'm saying, local buy. Here goes his page right here, you know what I'm saying? He showed love for a good price for sure, so tell me your boy Joe the one sent you, you know what I'm saying? He showed love too. I think he shipped as well too, so go ahead, go over there, look at his page. He got some heat over there for sure. He definitely looked out, so appreciate you, bro, for sure. But these joints, I had to grab them when he said size 11, you know what I'm saying? I was like, oh yeah, I need them. So where you at? And he responded super quick, you know what I'm saying? So got these joints. Got them in yesterday, you know what I'm saying? But I was busy, so but like I said, today, got our own feet and in-hand review of these Nike Dunk Low UCLA. Comment down below, man, let me know if you cop them, you know what I'm saying, or you seen them, you know what I'm saying, on social media, all that good stuff. But they don't have a release date, but these are releasing stores where I'm from. So I don't know where they're getting them from, but it don't even matter. I got them now. But if you can, call your local Foot Locker or Hibbett, City Gear, or Finish Line just to see if they gonna come in, or you know what I'm saying. Because I don't even know where they're coming from at this point right now, because I'd be so busy doing other stuff. It just, most of the time I'm gonna have time, you know, oh, this from here, this from there, this from here. Like if you don't be on the Nike, if you don't be on Foot Locker and anything like that, or Nike.com, most of the time they release at certain places, certain spots that I don't be knowing. So I was like, you know what, I ain't even gonna trip and stress myself out on where this is from, this and that and other. But it's cool, we here now. We got this Nike Dunk. Can't wait for y'all to see the shoe. And like I said, on feet, it's fire. Try these on, super heat, you know what I'm saying? But make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. Follow me all platforms down below. Not further ado, man, let's get to the video. Price on these was, I think he said 110 or 100. He gave for me 165. That's a nice deal, you know what I'm saying? Can't beat that at all, especially for this colorway. You know, it's not a popular colorway, I should say, but this shoe right here is just something about the color. It just pop, you know what I'm saying? My favorite color is blue, but yellow, I really give it take on yellow sometimes, but my favorite color is blue. So I was like, you know what, this will definitely go a lot of clothes that I wear, you know what I'm saying, pop out the outfit and all that good stuff. But like I said, did enough talking. Let's go get that shoe out, man. Okay, all right. There you go, man. And this white and red Nike box right here. Got that personal size 11. So almost, like I said, anytime most Nike Dunks, highs, lows, mids, whatever, if ain't no like no collab or nothing like that, nothing special, it will come in this red and white Nike box here. Nothing too crazy, you know what I'm saying? But it says Nike Dunk Low Retro, Blue Jay size 11. I guess he said the retail price, like I said, was 100 or 110. I forgot the price, but I got it for 165. That's a steal for sure. And it was dead stock DS. Fire. So in case y'all don't know what DS is, basically saying it's a concept in the sneaker community. It means brand new. We just say DS or dead stock, you know what I'm saying? So let's get these bad boys out, man. Hey, here they go, man. The Nike Dunk Low UCLA, man.
Got the mileage. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. Always roll deep and we move like the mob. Got our own section, ain't fucking with y'all. Keep going up when I'm watching you fall. You really not hard, you niggas just soft. I made my own calls, I don't got a boss. Your Bentley is rented, can't handle the cost. A lot on my plate, I just can't take a loss. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang, I'm with the hoop. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang, I'm with the gang.
Look at these things. Look at these booties right here on camera. Just pow, wow. Just fire, man. These heat right here. I really like these a lot. We got that blue outsole, man. Just the blue and yellow just pop on this shoe, man. Just pop on this shoe. We're gonna get that shoe out, man. There they go. Like I said, I'm already laced them up and everything. So I've been procrastinating on doing the I kind of could say procrastinating doing a lace tutorial on like how to lace up my Nike Dunks, because all my Nike Dunks lace like this, my lows, all of them lace like that. So if y'all want a lace tutorial on these, comment down below, man. Let me know. I'll definitely get y'all a lace tutorial this upcoming weeks. Just let your boy know down below. Let's go talk about the shoe, man. Call it a dark blue or a deep royal, you know what I'm saying? On the outsole here, on the midsole, you got your white midsole. On the side panel here, you got your Deep Royal Nike swoosh. Behind the Deep Royal swoosh, you got your yellow, of course. On the back of the heel, you got your stitched in yellow Nike in the back of the heel. And also got your Deep Royal back of the heel as well. And on the inside of the shoe, you got your yellow Nike swoosh inside of the shoe. And also the Deep Royal sock liner as well. Also on the tongue here, you got your yellow with your Deep Royal Nike swoosh right here on the tongue. Like I said, come with yellow laces. So don't come with no either laces besides yellow, which is not bad. I think white laces with these won't be bad at all neither, but I don't have another set of white laces. But white laces with these won't be bad, but I'm gonna stick to the yellow, you know what I'm saying? Just pop out the shoe even more, but white won't be bad at all in case somebody wanna be different, you know what I'm saying? But don't do blue. I wouldn't do blue, but I'll either do white or I'll stick to this yellow for sure, man. But let's go and get this on feet going, man. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're new. Without further ado, let's get that on feet going. Let's get it.
Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. Stay in your lane, you ain't got the mileage. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. Always roll deep and we move like the mob. Got our own section, ain't fucking with y'all. Keep going up when I'm watching you fall. You really not hard, you niggas just soft. I made my own calls, I don't got a boss. Your Bentley is rented, can't handle the cost. A lot on my plate, I just can't take a loss.
Back from my own feet, I ain't gonna lie. Hoo-wee. Spicy, 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 you know what I'm saying? I don't know, it's just something about me with Nike Dunks, you know what I'm saying? Just a love for them. Like, you can wear them with anything, very versatile. It just, when you first get some Nike Dunks, man, they be super, super stiff, man. I'm like, bruh. So I gotta wear these ASAP because I don't like my shoes stiff. They make me uncomfortable. I just gotta break them in. I don't mind creasing up my shoes, man. I don't like my shoes just sitting there. I gotta crease them up so they get comfortable. I could sit them on and be comfortable on my feet. If they're not comfortable on my feet, I don't even want to wear them no more. So I'm gonna wear these ASAPs. Gotta find a little outfit, a little shirt, you know what I'm saying? A little something. I'll figure something out, man. But size run in Nike Dunks, I always tell people, go half size up in Nike Dunks. Don't go true to size most of the time. People love go true to size every now and then, but I always tell people go half size up. It's just the fact, cause if you got a wide foot, you know what I'm saying, you don't like nothing stiff on your foot, don't go true to size with Nike Dunks at all. Cause this leather right now is super, super stiff. Like, you can just look, like, when I press the toe box here, it's super stiff. You gotta break them in. So, I mean, if you can go true to size, but I just always tell people, go a half size up. Always go a half size up all the time, because the leather, like I said, be super, super stiff, man. But overall, like I said, give these 10 out of 10 for sure. Definitely 10 out of 10. But that's it for the video, man. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're new. I appreciate y'all showing love support as always, man. Make sure you follow me all platforms down below. My TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, all that good stuff down below. Really appreciate it, man. More videos coming this week. Got the Georgetown Sixers coming out. I know everybody talking about them, like, they want them bad. So I'm gonna have a couple pairs of those. So in case you need a pair of them, I'll let your boy shoot me a DM. You know what I'm saying? At Junkie Kicks. JR1, Fisher JR1, you know what I'm saying? On Twitter, TikTok, whatever you need to hit me up on, you know what I'm saying? Y'all have a blessed one. Catch you on another video, man. JR1 is out. Peace.